And the race on, they leap in unison away from the gate. Rushing up is invincible. Elusive Katoria Sarakire on 11. Legal Vergara double O moving up in between runners Mr. Slim and train number 2 Grace Giver inner class is the early trainer. Akire Onilaba Invincible Legal Elusive Cat Vergara Mr. Slim and on the outside is double O running in 7th position, now moving up to taking the 4th spot and rounding the parton. Akire Onilaba Invincible Elusive Cat double O racing on the outside, and now the course of the win has been altered with Invincible on the outside is double Elusive Cat Akire Onilaba, and as they race the last 200, double on the outside Elusive Cat Mr. Slim Invincible, double O Invincible Elusive Cat down on the inside Mr. Slim Grace Giver, double O Grace Giver down on the inside, and finally it's Grace Giver, double O Elusive Cat Mr. Slim Invincible down